What do you want, Jose? Huh? Huh? What do you want? What do you want? Tell me. You want peanut butter? That's what you want? What? You're a good boy. You want peanut butter or almond butter? We don't have any more peanut butter. Joseph. No more peanut butter. We have almond butter. Do you want almond butter? Huh? Joseph, you want almond butter? Talk to Daddy. Tell me. Huh? Tiago. I want peanut butter. We don't have peanut butter. We have almond butter. No. We have almond butter. No peanut butter.
Tiago, good boy, go there.
Come here. Papa. Don't want to go.
Tiago.
Tiago, come. Tiago, come to Daddy. Tell him, Tiago, come to Daddy.
Tiago, come to Daddy. What is this?
Tiago. Tiago, come back. Be back.
Go to Daddy. Go to Daddy?
Papa.
Tiago.
Tiago, come back. Tell him. Tiago. Joseph, what do you want? Huh? Joseph, Tiago was a good boy today. You want peanut butter? I told you we don't have peanut butter. We have almond butter. Do you want almond butter? Almond butter. That's what you say? Huh? I'm good boy.
Tiago, don't go there. Yeah. Tiago, don't go there. You know? Tiago, don't go there.
Are you sleepy? Huh? Are you tired?
Yeah, Tiago, don't go there. Mommy is cooking. It's not, you know? Yeah, Tiago, don't go there. Tiago, your brother said don't go there. Tiago. Wait, ini mah apa?
Tiago, don't go.
Tiago, stay with Daddy and your brother. Okay, don't go there. Come
Good
with the
boy. Give a kiss to Tiago, Jose. Give a kiss to Tiago. He's so little. Not Daddy. To Tiago. Give a kiss to Tiago. Jojo. You wanna? Oh, who is that? Let's go. That's Grandma. Grandma. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello
ฮัลโหล
สวัสดีค
Good
รั
boy
บ
Good boy Good boy Good boy Good boy How are you Good boy
How are you
Good boy
Good boy.
Good boy ชาวะชาวะชาวะ
Talk to grandma
Grandma
Grandma.
has no power, no food.
Grandma do FaceTime with Joseph FaceTime Yeah, tell grandma FaceTime There you go Oh Who was that? Oh, that's grandma Oi Up 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 up
Joseph.
Come on Joseph, it's not good
It's
standing
not
here
good.
Up 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 Joseph Up
Joseph, go up.
Yeah Okay, here, talk to grandma Hi, see Look, look Hi grandma Hi Joseph, grandma, Joseph was a good boy today, you know Right? He was a good boy, Joseph? Yeah.
Go there.
Did you tell grandma I had almond butter today? Oh, you giving kiss to grandma? Yeah, kiss, kiss. Give a kiss to grandma. Say, I miss you, grandma. Come back.
Yeah, go.
Tell grandma to come back. Hmm? You're a good boy? Oh, grandma saying you're a good boy too. Yeah. Say, I miss you, grandma.
I miss you too much. Miss you too much.
Say, I miss you.
Tiago, you can't go in there, okay? You will be
Joseph
cold.
shower.
Look at
Joseph
the
shower.
shower. It will be ugly.
Shower.
See?
Shower. Oh, good bird, good bird.
Hmm. Do you have poo?
Oh, it's sleeping
Yeah,
time.
let's go. Let's go. Poo.
Ah, Tiago,
When you pass your sleepy time, you should go to sleep. Tiago should go to sleep too. Yeah. Yeah. Say night night to grandma. Say night night. Good night. Joseph, it's sleepy time.
Good night.
Say night night.
Good night.
Say good
Sleeping
night.
time, Joseph, sleeping time.
Kiss kiss grandma. Give a kiss to grandma.
Good
Good
night.
boy.
Good night.
See? Grandma saying good night. It means it's sleepy time, okay? You should go to sleep. Okay? Okay, night night. Close your door. Close it. How are you, Mom?
Good, I'm good.
Good. Joseph. Here go. He wants his almond butter.
ฮัลโหลสวัสดีค่ะ
Tiago, apa?
ทำกับข้าวให้สามี
Sleepy time. Sleepy time. You guys pass the sleepy time. Yeah. Good night. Give me a kiss. Good night. Good boy. Up, up, up. Tiago. Good boy.
ฮัลโหลแม่ว่าไงนะ
No, 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 no. Good night. Tiago, I love you.
นี่ลูกก็จะตอบ
Yeah. Tiago, I love you. Yeah. You love Tiago now? He's a good boy. Yeah. Okay. That's nice. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Good boy. Sleepy time. Okay? Yeah. See you tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow.